Hey everybody, here we have yet another part system. Here's a sticker that come off the system. We hadn't pulled it off early so that way it wouldn't be such a pain to, to get it off later on. Because these stickers like to adhere to the case over time, and then they're very aggravating to get off the systems. So we hadn't pulled this one off. Anyways, here's the computer. It's an older HP system. Has an AMD Athlon C4 X2 4600 plus CPU with integrated NVIDIA graphics. System originally had 2 gigs of RAM and a 250 gig hard drive. This system is missing the memory in the hard drive, but still has everything else. Even the LightScribe DVD burner, it still has that. Nothing was tampered here. So for $15, even if the motherboard is bad in this system, I still got my money's worth out of it. And I was in a pretty big hurry when I picked this up, so I didn't even bother testing. I just went and grabbed it and went. So I'm going to test this tonight and see if it works. Before I actually plug up everything, let's go ahead and just have a look at this thing. Here's a motherboard. It has 4 DDR2 DIMM slots. From what I see, all the capacitors look fine. I don't see any bulging caps. Here's a look at the back. Lots of connections. What appears to be 7.1 channel audio. Many USB ports, digital audio out, that kind of stuff. Decent for its time. I believe this computer was made in 2006. It should be a manufacturing down here somewhere. I'm not exactly sure. But it has a Windows Vista capable sticker on the front, so that tells me it was probably manufactured in 2006, right before Vista was released. This computer would have been considered a Vista ready machine. Here's our power supply. It's a Hypro HP-D3057F3R. These are good quality power supplies, but the only problem is they have TPO capacitors, and every one I have gotten has had bad capacitors on the secondary side. So I've always had to recap them, so I'm sure this one here is going to be recapped too. So I may go ahead and pull this one out and drop in a test power supply just to test this machine. Well, turns out this one is a workie. Works just fine. Started right up. Let's see here. Still have our the actual original CPU, the 4600 plus. So we've got us a working computer. All it needs is RAM and a hard drive and install Windows. And this system probably needs a new power supply too. I'd say not too bad for 15 bucks. Apparently the CMOS battery is dead, or somebody reset the CMOS trying to figure this thing out. There may be something wrong with that power supply, the original power supply. Probably just bad capacitors or something. So anyways, any questions or comments, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.